taking this pathway, it really expanded my knowledge in the welding, the science behind it, and what jobs there are out there and careers that I would really enjoy.
Learn how to talk to people, work with people, and on the learning side, you learn so much more than you ever think you will.
It's not a normal everyday classroom. It's a big shop that's loud, banging, grinding, sparks flying throughout the air, flames.
Welding team is offered to you, then you can go out in competitions like the Houston Rodeo. You can win equipment, you actually win buckles, big trophies.
If you compete in employers, look for that. They will get you a job. If you like welding, do it. There's no question about it. Do it.